Hi, I would like to show how you can use Google Translate in Google Sheets. So let's make a simple list of English words. It could be any language, but I'm using English and I want to um, translate the words into French. So let's just make a simple list. Uh, Happy, sad, and school maybe. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can make it as long uh, or short list as you wish. So now I go to French on the top cell in the second column under the heading French. I'm going to press equals sign and type Google Translate. So it's already here. Translate. And so it automatically opens the bracket and it tells you need to enter three things. One, um, what text you want translated. So I can actually highlight the cells with the text in them, and it tells that it is A2 to A6, A2 colon A. You don't need to worry about it. You just highlight what you want, and then put a comma. And source language is English, so I'm going to put quotation marks, EN for English, and close quotation marks. There is an example here that shows you, for example, ES is Spanish. So, but we want the target language to be French. Same idea, quotation marks, FR, and close. And then you need to close the bracket and press enter. Now, what happens is it automatically translated this cell to French. The other thing you can do is you can actually extend this so that we get translation of all the words in our list. And this is good. And if you change that, so if you change that, it automatically translates. So let's say if I change boy to teacher, and it does, let's say, it automatically translates to French. I hope you find this useful. Thank you.